In this lecture, I explain you context and discourse. What is context? Context is a literal meaning of text. Context refers to the larger situation or environment in which a text or utterance is produced. Context includes a wide range of factors. It's further type, settings, etc. Physical setting, time and place of interaction, as well as the physical surrounding, such as the room or location where the communication takes place. Social setting, the social rules, relationship between the speakers, for example, the gender, age, ethnicity, religion, and social class. The speakers may influence the way they communicate and interrupt messages, boss and employee, etc. Discourse setting. This includes the type of discourse being produced, such as conversation, a lecture, a newspaper report, or a social media post. Pragmatic setting. This includes the purpose and goals of the communication as well as the speaker intention. For example, I am sorry, uttered by a friend, uttered by a doctor. It's different kind of meaning from different people. Second example is that I have to run. First of all, it goes to the meeting or at the gym. It's a different kind of meaning, the line. What is discourse? Discourse refers to the language that goes beyond the level of individual sentence and is used in specific context. A word, sentence, or paragraph can be considered a discourse if it meets certain condition or context, involves the use of language to convey meaning. It can be a word, sentence, paragraph, or even longer text. It always involves context. If a word is used in isolation without any context or message being conveyed, it may not be considered a discourse. If someone were to simply say the word apple without any context or message being conveyed, it may not be considered a discourse. If in fruit shop a label apple written on a shelf, discourse. What is discourse analysis? Discourse analysis is the study of language used in social context, including analyzing how speakers construct meaning, shape social identities, and negotiate power relation through their use of language. For example, to examine the language used by politicians during a political campaign, words or phrases that evoke emotional response from the audience, tone, language, vocabulary, etc. Text refer to any written or spoken language that has a specific structure and conveys a meaning, such as a sentence, paragraph, or an essay. A text is typically analyzed at the level of syntax, grammar, vocabulary, and organization, and its meaning is derived from the combination of these elements. Discourse, on the other hand, refer to the larger context in which language is used. Discourse includes not only the words themselves but also the social, cultural, and historical factors that shape the way people communicate. Discourse analysis focus on the study of how language is used in different contexts and how it reflects and shapes social interaction, power relation, and cultural norms. In simple words, text refer to the specific word and structure of a piece of language. Discourse refer to the broader social and cultural context in which language is used. Thank you so much.